Starry Internet and AT&T represent two very different approaches to providing internet service. Understanding their key differences will help you choose the right provider for your needs. The first major difference is the technology each company uses. Starry specializes in fixed wireless internet using millimeter wave technology to deliver high-speed internet without traditional cables. AT&T takes a different approach, offering multiple connection types including fiber optic cables, 5G home internet called Internet Air, and traditional DSL connections. Coverage is another major difference. Starry operates only in 5 major urban markets: Boston, Denver, Los Angeles, New York City, and Washington, D.C. This limited footprint reflects their focus on dense urban areas. AT&T has much broader national coverage and is aggressively expanding. They're aiming to reach over 30 million customer locations with fiber by 2025 and 60 million by 2030. Contract terms also differ significantly. Starry offers a customer-friendly approach with no contracts, no data caps, and no equipment fees. AT&T's terms vary depending on which plan and technology you choose. These key differences show that Starry focuses on simplicity and urban markets, while AT&T offers broader coverage with multiple technology options. Your choice depends on your location and service preferences. When comparing internet speeds, both providers offer competitive performance, but with different strengths. Starry customers experience average speeds around 122 megabits per second and generally receive positive reviews for both speed and pricing. AT&T was named the nation's fastest internet service provider according to Ookla data from the second half of 2024, though their speeds vary significantly depending on the connection type you choose. Pricing structures differ significantly between the two providers. Starry offers straightforward pricing with no contracts or data caps, while AT&T implemented price increases across all internet plans in late 2024. AT&T's pricing varies by connection type, and the company recently raised prices on all plans. However, they do offer automatic bill credits for qualifying service outages to both wireless and fiber customers. Starry offers a unique low-cost program called Starry Connect, providing symmetrical upload and download speeds of 30 megabits per second for just $15 per month in select affordable housing buildings. Availability differs significantly between providers. Starry operates in limited major markets including Boston, Denver, Los Angeles, New York City, and Washington, D.C., while AT&T has nationwide coverage and aggressive expansion plans. AT&T plans major expansion, targeting over 40,000 additional fiber locations in Kansas alone by the end of 2025, with goals to reach 30 million customer locations nationwide by 2025 and 60 million by 2030.